Good morning, class. Welcome back, you all, in computer class. Now, class, today I am going to explain you exercise of chapter 6 animation in Flash. Exercise of chapter 6 Introduction to Flash. Exercise of chapter 6 Introduction to Flash CS6. Introduction to Flash CS6. In this chapter, in this video, I have complete explain and show you exercise of chapter 6. Okay, class. Now you can see your exercise contain tick the correct option, true false, tick the correct true false, fill in the blanks, short answer type question and long answer type question. All of you have to complete this exercise in your classwork copy and send me a screenshot of this chapter to my WhatsApp on 18 August. Now class, see here in this tick the correct option, there are 3 questions. All these 3 questions answered directly I have written. The question is that, is the place where graphics, text and videos clip are placed. So this is a place of stage where your everything whatever want you can placed here. Now second question given that, is the gray color area around the stage. The gray color area around the stage is your pasteboard. And now again question ask, the properties panel is at the right of. The property panel is at the right of stage. In true false, 4 questions given. First question given that, animation effects can be added in Flash. Animation effects cannot be added in Flash. So this is the false, because of animation effect can be added in Flash. Flash is mostly used for creating animation. Second statement given, the stage is the gray area around the white rectangular in Flash workspace. This is also false, because of the white rectangular area of the Adobe Flash workspace is called stage. Next 2 statement is your true. The timeline panel is used to control the image and sounds in Flash document. And question 4, the object you place on the stage will appear in your published movie. So these 2 are true. These 2 are true. Now class, about this I have fill in the blanks. 4 fill in the blanks and then direct I have fill here option. You have to fill your option from this. In first option frame, second layer, third left and 4 bottom. Short answer type questions. Flash is a very useful application used in multimedia graphics program. Second question is that name the file type selected in new document dialog box. So already here written file type ActionScript 3.0, and the three are there many way to exit a flash. If S, list any two options. The two option here, click exit from file menu, and second press Ctrl plus Q key. And next question given, name any three tools of flash. So here text tool, pen tool, and now line tool. Three tool I have here written. So you can understand this. Now class, I hope next one is the long answer type question. So here about long answer type question answer I have given. Thank you all for today. All of you write complete in your classwork. Thank you all class.